Still swinging harder but not hitting farther? You're fixing the wrong thing. Today on Consumer Heaven, we're breaking down the golf balls that can instantly boost your distance without changing your swing. Let's go.
Number 5. Srixon Soft Feel. The Srixon Soft Feel has quietly remained one of the most trusted golf balls for slower swing players, and for good reason. Built with a low 60 compression rating, this ball is designed to compress easily when you don't swing like a Tour Pro. What makes it special is Srixon's fast layer core technology. The center is incredibly soft for smooth feel, but gradually firms up toward the outer layers to boost ball speed and distance. That means when you strike the ball, you get both softness and power, a combo most cheap balls can't pull off. In the air, the 338 speed dimple pattern cuts drag and keeps your shots flying higher and longer. You'll immediately notice better carry distance, especially on slower swing drives. Around the greens, the thin ionomer cover delivers surprisingly good control for a two-piece ball. Chip shots stop faster than you'd expect at this price range, making it a great all-around performer. Plus, it comes in bright color options like yellow, orange, red, and green, perfect if you lose white balls in the rough. Best for golfers with moderate to slow swing speeds who want distance with soft feel and durability. Downside, not quite as soft as ultra soft balls like Super Soft or Duo Soft.
Number 4. TaylorMade Distance Plus. If your biggest problem is simply not hitting far enough, the TaylorMade Distance Plus is built exactly for you. This ball focuses purely on maximum energy transfer. With its React Speed Core and medium-low compression design, it turns slower swings into explosive ball speed. Every drive feels hot off the club face. The aerodynamic 342 dimple pattern reduces air resistance, meaning your shots fly straighter and stay in the air longer, even in windy conditions. One of the coolest features is the Plus Alignment Aid printed right on the ball. It helps you line up putts and tee shots perfectly, which quietly saves strokes every round. Off the driver, spin stays low, a huge win if you fight slices or hooks. The ball wants to fly straight and roll out more once it lands. It's also extremely affordable, making it one of the best distance per dollar balls on the market. Best for golfers who struggle with distance and want straighter drives with more roll. Downside, minimal greenside spin, not ideal for players who rely on soft wedge control.
Number 3. Wilson Duo Soft. The Wilson Duo Soft is famous for one thing, being the softest golf ball in the world. With a super low 37 compression rating, it compresses effortlessly, even with very slow swings. Seniors, beginners, and smooth swingers instantly feel the difference. The updated high-energy core boosts ball speed far more than older Duo Soft versions, so you're not sacrificing distance for softness anymore. Shots launch higher, carry farther, and land softer, exactly what slower swing players need. Low spin off the driver helps straighten shots dramatically. Many golfers see fewer slices and hooks after switching. And the price? Insanely affordable for the performance you get. It also comes in multiple bright colors for visibility. Best for very slow swing speeds, seniors, beginners, and anyone wanting ultra soft feel with straighter shots. Downside, low greenside spin. Approach shots won't stop quickly on hard greens.
Number 2. Titleist Tour Soft. If you want premium performance without paying tour ball prices, the Titleist Tour Soft is a monster upgrade. It uses a large, fast core with medium-low compression to generate high ball speeds while still feeling buttery soft at impact. What truly separates it is the Fuse Blend cover, which offers noticeably more greenside spin and control than most softballs. Chip shots feel responsive, pitch shots grab faster. You can actually shape short game shots instead of watching the ball roll forever. The 346 dimple design creates a stable, penetrating ball flight that performs consistently in all weather. It also includes Titleist's alignment marking to improve putting accuracy. Yes, it costs more than the others, but performance-wise, it's in a different league. Best for golfers who want soft feel with real short game control and premium consistency. Downside, higher price compared to budget softballs.
Number 1. Callaway Super Soft 2025 model. This is the most popular soft feel golf ball in the world, and for good reason. The 2025 Super Soft combines ultra-low compression with Callaway's hyper-elastic soft fast core to maximize speed while staying insanely soft. It feels like hitting a marshmallow, yet flies like a rocket. The new hybrid cover technology improves both durability and greenside control, fixing the biggest weakness older Super Soft models had. Off the tee, low spin keeps drives straight and long. Around the greens, you finally get usable stopping power for chips and pitches. It also offers the widest range of colors and matte finishes in golf, and the price sits right in the sweet spot: premium performance without premium cost. Best for slow to moderate swing speeds who want maximum distance, softness, and straight flight. Downside, still won't spin like tour-level urethane balls for scratch golfers.
Now tell me, which ball are you teeing up next? Drop it in the comments. If this helped your game, hit like, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and turn on notifications for smarter gear that actually works. Links are in the description. Go play better, not harder.